Wait, before starting the Keto Cleanse video, I introduce you with Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally in 7 days. For more details, click the link in the video description below. A 27-minute yoga session focused on strengthening and engaging your core can be a great way to improve your core strength, stability, and overall flexibility. Below is a suggested sequence for a 27-minute yoga practice targeting the core muscles. 1. Mountain pose, Tadasana, 2 minutes. Begin in a standing position, feet together or slightly apart, arms by your sides. Engage your thighs, lift your chest, and reach your arms overhead, palms facing each other. 2. Cat, cow pose, Marjarasana, 3 minutes. Move to a tabletop position with wrists under shoulders and knees under hips. Inhale for cow pose. Arch your back, lifting your tailbone and chest. Exhale for cat pose. Round your back, tucking your chin to your chest. 3. Plank pose, 2 minutes. From tabletop, step your feet back to a plank position, maintaining a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core, hold position, and breathe steadily. 4. Boat pose, Navasana. Sit on the floor, lean back slightly, and lift your legs off the ground, balancing on your sitting bones. Extend your arms forward or clasp your hands in front of you. 5. Bicycle crunches, 4 minutes. Lie on your back, lift your legs, and begin a pedaling motion with your legs while reaching opposite elbow towards the opposite knee. Ready to say goodbye to stubborn belly fat. Get Ikaria Lean Belly Juice Keto. Click the link in the video description below. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on social media for more exciting audio content.